If you love decorating your home on a budget, you are going to want to see the dollar store decorating ideas I have for you today. So let's get started. First up is a transformation of these little shelves that they always sell at the dollar store. They have words written on them, but I wanted mine to be more plain, so I grabbed some chalk paint, which is good for coverage, and covered the whole thing with a couple coats of chalk paint. Then I grabbed some wooden beads that I had, and I used some glue to attach them to the bottom to make a tray. I would use wood glue if you want it to be more sturdy, but I just used hot glue just to make it a little bit quicker. Then I grabbed some checkered ribbon from my craft stash. You can use whatever kind of ribbon you have. I think I got this one at Walmart, but dollar store has tons of ribbon choices too. I used some hot glue to attach the ribbon. I wrapped it all the way around and secured it in place with another little bit of hot glue. This tray is super versatile and you can style it however you like. I filled mine with some dollar store greenery and some plastic lemons that I had. What do you think? Next up is a makeover of this dollar store galvanized planter. I love this planter. It's inexpensive. It's flat on one side, so you can lean it up against a flat surface. And I also love the substantial twine rope hanger. I made a decal for mine that says "Welcome to our porch." If you don't have a Cricut, you can paint something on it. You could leave it plain, or you could use stickers. Once my decal was on, I grabbed some floral foam from the dollar store and cut it so that it fit inside. Then I took some dollar store florals. I found these roses, which I love, and I just kind of stuck them in and arranged them, filling in the blank spaces with some greenery that I had in my stash. I'm not sure where I got it. It might have been Walmart, but it also might have been the dollar store. But whatever you have and whatever your style is, that's what you can use. I think this looks super high-end, and no one would guess that it's made from dollar store supplies. The last DIY in this video takes literally no talent. All you have to do is hop over to my blog, I'll leave the link in the description, and download the summer print that I designed for free. Then you can take the print, put it in an 8x10 frame that you already have, or attach it to a dollar store clipboard that's embellished with paper flowers that are just hot glued on. And that's it. This free print looks super cute with the tray of lemons that we made earlier, and I absolutely love how this porch decoration turned out. What do you think? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to this channel and hitting the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of the fun. See you next time. Bye.